how to delete all liked videos on YouTube. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete all the liked videos on YouTube. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your YouTube. After you open it up, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now you can head over to the bottom right corner to the You page where you will see all of your liked videos. So you can head over to your liked videos, and after you're on the liked videos, you can one by one dislike them. So if you want, you can open one up and then simply unlike it. So that's one way of unliking your videos. The other thing that you can do is you can head over to your Google settings, tap on your profile again, and on the top you'll find an option called Google account. Tap on Google account, and after you tap on your Google account, you will need to head over to a settings called Web and App Activity. To find that, you can browse through this section where you should find your data and privacy, and under there somewhere you should find your Web and Activity. So tap on it, and after you tap on it, here you should find the list of your liked videos. So you can scroll down and tap on Manage All Web and App Activity, and there you should find all of your liked videos. So all you now need to do is simply select all and then cross it out. So you can delete everything here. So tap on auto delete. You can turn that on as well if you want to. So I'll just delete everything and tap on next. So here you can select what you want to delete. I'll just select the YouTube. Make sure that I deselect all of these others and tap on next. Doing that will just remove all of my likes, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching guys. That is how you do it. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.